During the hunting seasons, Lost Island Resort near Schuyler, Nebraska is a destination place for duck hunters. But during the rest of the year, it's available for retreats, family reunions, etc. One of the things the resort is known for is its famous Cottonwood chicken. Most people would not consider using a softwood like cottonwood for barbecuing or grilling, but let me tell you, it works really well. This recipe can be duplicated virtually anywhere, and here's how you do it. You'll need a bunch of cottonwood. Then get some of your favorite poultry seasoning for grilling. Light the wood about 45 minutes before you're going to need it so it burns down to some nice coals. Get one of those grills that has the long handles and it will allow you to clamp the chicken inside. You will need to turn it. Season the chicken to your own preferences. Start out with the meat pretty high from the coals. For an easy side dish, slice some potatoes, onions, and peppers, wrap them in aluminum foil, and put a little bit of butter on there. Put the foil wraps right on the coals. Cook the chicken, turning frequently, about 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. Watch your foil wraps. When you start to see steam come out of the seams, it's probably a good sign they're done. And that's all there is to it. All you do now is put out the food and let people enjoy it. Cooking for crowds of people doesn't have to be hard, and it should be delicious. This is sunset on the Platte River, right by Lost Island Lodge. This is survivalcommonsense.com. Thank you for watching. Go try this recipe.